happy hour time. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so it's happy hour time. Every hour is happy hour during this lockup quarantine. So what else do you do? Well, you make up drink recipes. So I made up 2, and they're so good. And the first one is with vodka, and I need my limes. 1.5 limes squeezed. Thinking about summer, since I think that's when we're all gonna get out of here, is summer. I was like, oh, I just want like something good, refreshing, give me a little summer buzz. So 1.5 limes squeezed. Okay, there we go. And then I just cut a couple of them up, put it in the bottom of the mason jar, and I'm gonna add mint to it. I like the taste of mint. It's actually good for you as well. So I'm gonna do 6 mint leaves. Oh, it smells like summer. I could be with Patricia Altschul on Southern Charm, just on her veranda, sipping this cocktail. I could be her new butler. What do you think? My 6 mint leaves. I need my lemon. Bam! I'm gonna do 1/2 of the lemon. All right, got my lemon. So we throw a lot of parties, and I obviously have a musher thing. What do you call that? Whatever it is that you mush stuff with. Oh, a muddler. Either way, I don't have a muddler, okay? I don't have one. So I have like this honeycomb thing, and I'm gonna use that to kind of like muddle this all together. Have all of that in there. Have the ice in the shaker. Gotta get the vodka, be right back. Okay, vodka time. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. Reminds me of like those GIFs you see on Instagram now where there's like the cooking shows and it just keeps pouring. It's like, we're gonna add a little bit of vodka. Okay, got the vodka. I wanna do 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. I think that's how you say it. Who really cares? Give that a little bit of the orange flavor. 1.5 ounces of apricot liqueur, which is this whole thing here. Pour that in. I'm gonna shake it up for like 30 seconds. That's 30 seconds. Whee! I'm not joking when I say this smells like summer. Imagine you're in the Hamptons, or you're at the beach, or Malibu, or your backyard, or the PTA meeting, and you just wanna, you know? And then I finish it off with club soda. Oh, there's my guard dog. So that's what it looks like. You wanna come name my cocktail?
Name your cocktail?
This is the one I made the other day. This is the one you wanted sweeter.
Why don't you call it lime with a splash of vodka on the side?
Oh, she thinks she's funny. It's really good. I can also just pretend he never came in. We're gonna start the tequila drink with 1/2 of a lemon, squeezed. We're gonna add in, in the summer I like a lot of mint. 6, the magic number. So now I'm gonna add a couple slices of jalapeno. Ooh. Blood spice. A whole lime. Back to that muddling. That's such a hard job.
Is it? Oh, ow.
Take a sip of the last one we just made. It is 5 o'clock. 2 ounces of tequila. 3 if you're my friend Brandon, who likes to drink. Okay, and then we're gonna do, Josh, how do you say it? Chartreuse? 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 No, chartreuse, right? This is the liqueur that I found the other day. I'm gonna do, it's a nice little kick. Do 1/2 ounce of that, and we need OJ. So again, you like it sweet. You can finish the whole thing off with orange juice, but I'm gonna do this for color and a little bit sweet, but then I'm gonna finish it with club soda, or you can use agave. All right. It's so good. It's like a spicy Southern margarita. I say Southern because I just want to be on Patricia Altschul's like veranda drinking this with her. All right, those are my 2 cocktail recipes. Guess I'm gonna get tipsy now.